Good evening, viewers. We welcome you once again to today's edition of this news. Here are the top stories of today. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma handed over MTAP learning tablets to students of West Garo Hills. West Jantia Hills District Congress Committee introduces 17 Congress MDC candidates. Government is awaiting a response from Union Government to restart funding developmental projects for border areas. Assamese community in Shillong celebrating Bihu, a harvest festival. And Ribhoi District Sports Association extend best wishes to 32 male and female football players for Meghalaya Games 2025. The news in detail. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today handed over MTAP learning tablets to students of West Garo Hills along with Speaker Thomas A. Sangma at a program held in District Auditorium, Tura. The MTAP is an initiative of the Chief Minister's Students' Digital Learning Scheme, which aims to promote e-education in the state. Speaking at the program, Chief Minister Sangma said that the handheld device is not just a gadget. It is a tool to empower us youth. In today's distribution, over 400 plus students from 21 different higher secondary schools received the tablets.
This is not just a program to give these small handheld devices to you. But this program is to let you know that we care about you. To let you know that we trust you, we believe in you, and that we have a huge expectation from you.
The West Jantia Hills District Congress Committee today introduced 17 Congress MDC candidates with the presence MPCC President Vincent Pala felicitating them at a function held at CTC Orchid, Tatlasken. In his address, Pala urged Congress supporters to commit themselves to the upcoming election and encourage elected candidates to actively engage with the public. He stressed the importance of maintaining a humble and approachable attitude when interacting with the people. He also emphasized the need to conduct the campaign with decorum, avoiding derogatory language towards individuals or political parties to create a positive and respectful electoral environment.
Candidate untuk menghidupkan mereka kena kentai dari election di bentang kiri tuan. Mereka mai mereka memahami, dulu kita memahami kebetulan. Mereka begitu orang kita bah kecut orang ni tak kinomjet tak kibasta. Tilki ke jilong yang ke jungkesan yang tilki ke parti yang tilki ya ke background yang
Meghalaya government is awaiting a response from the Union Government to restart funding developmental projects for the border areas of the state. Border Area Development Minister Rakam Sangma admitted that the central government for a couple of years have stopped funding for the border areas. He, however, said that the government of Meghalaya is making sure that various developmental programs under MG, Narega and Meghalaya Basin are taken up in these sensitive border areas.
The border area development was from the mostly the international come from the government of India. So this are the issue, but not only in the border area fund, but like whichever required, not in MG and RZA, and the basin development programs, and different government has initiated intervening with the different projects, like in MBDA and in what you call, and then different programs of the government of Meghalaya also.
Lambor Malnyang, MDC and former MLA of Nongkrem constituency, has challenged Arden Miller Basayamoit, the president of VPP and the incumbent MLA of Nongkrem, to a one-on-one debate to determine who has been the most effective in bringing development to the constituency. Lambor further emphasized that within a year, he had worked on repairing roads such as the one between Leolong and Ringi Shillong. He emphasized that the people had entrusted Basayamot with the responsibility to bring change and development, and it was his duty to engage with the government.
Tumandang ako abnong hangni. Nga challenge. Nga wan da debate bani kren ni developmental scheme kiba hapo kanong kren ko si munub laibon. Nga khot ni kita binuan debate nga dong nga ya ki proof jonga kadno ni syong markhman. Nginya debate hapo dong jonga but wa mali jong kram. Lalu mga khamlay ay nginya pini mano bonra scheme babun hapo kanong kram konsi. Nga ko abnong yakata.
Regarding preparation for the MDC election to the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council scheduled for February 21st, 2025, Lambor stated that preparations are proceeding smoothly, emphasizing that such efforts are ongoing and not limited to once every 5 years. He confirmed that he would be contesting as an independent candidate, seeking the continued trust and support of the people to serve in his capacity. In response to claims that non-party candidates often join political parties after elections, Lambor clarified that the Election Commission of India officially recognizes non-party candidates.
State Election Committee, kanigde po state, inamerkan niya Election Commission of India. The Piken ru kandet the Piong bani ken panga Election Commission of India ru kat Election Commission of India ru kadang itu you tahu candidate maroi candidate independent ka Commission of India kalabul padigi Election Commission of India kalabul padigi sembel nam tajong ki independent tawo ka recognize kilo tinga so ba kani garanti ka banga ya masoy demet bagi pajba kyong ya naka lenti ko mo katong simet kani tahi ka banga squad peso.
The Lightcore Dorbar Palun yesterday honored its women's football team for winning the Women's Football League title 2024. The 2024 tournament was held at the Polo Ground, Shillong. The event was attended by Lambor Malang MDC of Nongkram constituency. Also present were club leaders, residents, football players and their parents. The Lightcore Sports Club women's football team secured a 2-0 victory over PFR Football Academy in the final held at First Ground Polo. In recognition of their achievement, the MDC presented each team member with cash prizes and mementos as a token of appreciation for their dedication and performance.
Dengan kenal, rasa serang hidup kata-kata, nama video kemana yang kenal berulang, ambil yang kata-kata yang memperpikiran, lekbangkap yang kenal berulang, lekbangkap Krishna Lightcore para away.
The Office of the District Election Officer, West Khasi Hills District, yesterday published the draft electoral roll for the upcoming KHADC election 2025. The roll covers all 3 constituencies of the district. The event was held at the Deputy Commissioners Conference Hall, Nongstoin, under chairmanship of Garrett L.S.N. Dykes, District Election Officer, and attended by other officials and representatives of various political parties. The DEO officially handed over the draft electoral rolls to representatives of political parties. The district has a total of 146 polling stations, with 29 identified as vulnerable due to factors such as political rivalry, interstate protests, and remoteness of locations. To celebrate the collective efforts and resilience of farmers after the harvest season, the Ri Lajong Farmers Produce Organization successfully organized the Harvest Festival 2025. The event aimed to bring together farmers, inspire them and convey best wishes for their continued growth, prosperity and success in agriculture throughout the year. The program held at Mauprau village, recognized as a model fruit village. Mardondor Tongper, Additional Deputy Commissioner, attended the program as the chief guest. This event served as a platform for fostering unity, sharing knowledge and encouraging sustainable agricultural practices among the farming community.
Ba, bawa model aku rumah nyo hajar buat ni, nograb
Hundreds of kilometers away from home, the Assamese community in Shillong is celebrating Bihu with deep religious fervor. Once the capital of undivided Assam, Shillong continues to host a vibrant Assamese population that preserves and nurtures its cultural heritage through the celebration of traditional festivals. Mak Bihu, also known as Bali Beu, is a harvest festival widely celebrated across Assam and the northeast. True to its name, which translates to enjoyment and feasting, Bali Beu is a time of communal joy and togetherness. One such celebration was held at the Namghar near Shankar Dev College in Bishnupur.
We have been celebrating this Maghi Bihu right from the inception, which was our center was established in the 1949. Right from that time, we have been celebrating this Bihu. It's not like in the Bihu which we observe in the village. You see, village people, they observe in a much way. You see, a lot of people say they are here. As you know, we are in so to say, what should I say? We are very less people here, but still we are observing this. We are not lagging behind to observe our Bihu, this Maghi Bihu.
The All Meghalaya Kickboxing Association yesterday inaugurated a 6-day training program known as the 8th State Level Kickboxing Training Camp at Umsning. The inaugural event held at Amka Umsning Training Center was attended by Eddie G. Carboni, one of the prominent youth of Ribhoi, Mr. Samuel Hasha, president of Amka, among others. The event witnessed an enthusiastic turnout of over 70 young participants, including boys and girls from various districts across the Khasi Jaintia Hills, who are set to enhance their skills in kickboxing during the 6-day camp.
Jong Kashnong, Jongka district, but Jongka state he brought away.
The Ribhoi District Sports Association today organized a gathering to extend best wishes to 32 male and female football players from Ribhoi who will participate in Meghalaya Games 2025. During the event, blessings and well wishes were conveyed by Ferdinand Kharkamni, KSU President of the North Khasi Hills Unit, in the presence of Louis Starr, President of FKJGP North Khasi Hills District, RB Shadab, President of RBDSA, Rankin Sai, Advisor of RBDSA, along with other officials, members of RBDSA, and other dignitaries. In their speeches, they encouraged the players, offering words of motivation and advice to perform well and bring pride and honor to the entire district. And now for the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature 13 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 23 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 79%. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature 5.2 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 16 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 72%. Meanwhile, in Juwai, minimum temperature 8 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 16 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 63%. And the forecast in Tura and Juwai says that dry weather is likely at most places, whereas for Shillong, light to moderate rain and shallow to moderate fog is likely to occur at isolated places. Before we wind up, let's have a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma handed over MTAP learning tablets to students of West Garo Hills. West Jaintia Hills District Congress Committee introduces 17 Congress MDC candidates. Government is awaiting a response from Union Government to restart funding developmental projects for border areas. Assamese community in Shillong celebrating Bihu, a harvest festival. And Rivoy District Sports Association extends best wishes to 32 male and female football players for Meghalaya Games 2025. Well, viewers, that's all we have in today's edition of the news. Do join us again tomorrow with more updates. Have yourself a good night.